Alright everybody, well, first stop of our 3-county swing today with 3 locations. This one was kind of a last minute because it was pretty much on the way there and I had an opportunity to fill out and cross off another county, so I figured I might as well go do it. This video we're at Otsego County Park in Wright County, Minnesota. Didn't really know about it until this morning because it was like literally right next on the way to the other 2 locations I wanted to check out today. So I figured while it's here, easy way to cross off a new county on the map and a little exploration of a new little area that I've never been to before. This little wooded area is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm here early enough where there's not a lot of people here. Alright, we are back at the map here, and this video, we are at the Otsego County Park, way over here in Wright County. And to be honest, I didn't even know this park was here. I was just going through this way to get to another destination, and decided to take a stop here and check off another county on the map that I've gone exploring in. So I really have no clue what to expect. So that's enough talking here. Let's just get back to it and see what we can find here. Little Robin. And the county park here is situated right up against the Mississippi. So the Merlin app added a great crested flycatcher to the list. Cannot confirm or deny that one. As it only picked it up a couple times. But it also picked up a confirmed great catbird and a confirmed pileated woodpecker at the same time. And confirmed northern cardinal. Sorry, I just stopped here for a moment. A lot of stuff calling right now. Song sparrow behind me, the cardinal calling right there. I can see it right now. Oh, I think I see a red-eyed vero in there. So everything that's calling right now is what is showing up on the app. So everything is accurate right now. So rose-breasted grosbeak just showed up. I'm gonna go ahead and just see when the bird is calling, it lights up so you know which one's song. So right now the song sparrow is calling. Oh, now it just says a sedge wren. It just showed up. And there's the great crested flycatcher again. And so far, I really have no reason to think it is not accurate. Because at least all the songs I'm familiar with have been 100% right. Eagle nest up there. Apparently along with a pileated woodpecker, it looks like. Up at the corner, top left corner there. Oh yeah, definitely pileated. You can hear her calling there. Alright, well, that's really the end of this video. Short one. This is a smaller property, and I was just going to stop here for just a tiny bit anyway. This wasn't the main one I wanted to hit up today, but we're going to that one next. Really beautiful little park. Definitely should check it out, especially if you're into birding and just nice peaceful walks. Trails are really nice and everything, and just definitely worth the little stop. I'm really glad I came here. As always, full video is going to be over on Patreon, all the uncut footage and everything. With that, I guess I'll call it in to this location. One more county checked off the list. Off to the next stop. I'll see you in that one. Bye bye.